Hello guys, it's been a while since I've made any new videos and uploaded them to my channel, but it seems that I have a problem now and I have to fix it, and I've decided to film this. Maybe it will help some of you. It's about the rear right door window regulator. The window will come down but won't go up. So I'll have to take the panel off and then see what the problem is. Until now I've encountered two kinds of problem. One with a broken cable, and that is why I have another window regulator with the cable and the whole assembly here, in case it's the cable. And sometimes you're lucky and it's just the window regulator, and I'll show you how to fix it. It's mainly just like the front one. Because I'll be spending some time with the doors opened and I don't want to disconnect the battery, I just put the charger, the cheapest one I have in the garage, to charge the battery while I'm working on the car. It shouldn't take too long, it shouldn't be a big issue. Let's just see what I find there once I take the door panel off. In order to take the door panel off, I have to unscrew these two screws, one here, one here. Then I have to take this out and slide it on the door handle, and I have to take this out and slide it through the door. It's a bit tricky, but you can manage it. After that, I'll have to just push the door panel a bit up so it can unplug from here, and just pull it little by little, and it will just get off the door. It's easier with two hands, but one I'm using for filming it, took it out. This didn't want to come off, and I didn't want to force it, just to be sure I won't break it. So I'll just take the door panel off, and then I'll be able to unlock it and take it out. As I said, all I have to do is just push a little the door panel up and then pull it. Let's see if I can find a place for the camera. Just find the gap and start from there, little by little. There are plastic clips all around. Okay, took it off. Now, okay, there he is. I'll just have to slide this through here. It never wants to do it, but it will eventually do it. Okay. Oh, easier than expected. I have to open this. Okay, I'll take the camera. I'll have to open this. I'll start by opening around here, and that way I can see the cable. If the cable is okay, is still tension, it means that the problem is the motor. Let's see what we find here. As you can see, this has been opened before. See, this is the cable, and it's still tensioned. That means I don't have to take the whole assembly out, because taking the whole assembly out would mean to drill these rivets, one more here, two more here, and it will really be a tough job, especially doing it alone. But since it's only the motor, I'll just have to take more of this out. Okay, I have 3 screws. one here, one screw here, and the third screw around here somewhere. I don't know if it's, yeah, we can see him, right? Let's hope there's a hole there. If not, I'll drill one. It's around here somewhere. So I'll just start taking the speaker out. To take the speaker out, you either have these four and take the speaker out, or these four and take the whole support out. I'll take the whole support. Okay, this is the last one. And as far as I can see, I have no hole there, so I'll have to drill one. Because I didn't want to unplug the speaker, I just put it here with one screw, take it out of the way, and I'll just put it back when I'm done. Looking around and remembering the job I had to do on the front windows, I see this dimple, which most likely is the sign where to drill for the third screw. Before you start this job, be sure you have this kind of head for your screwdriver. It's a square one. I took one screw out just to see how big of a drill I'll need for it. Okay, this is the screw, and I think this is my largest one, and I'll need a bigger one. Let's see what I have. This is a 12 and this is a, well, I really can't see. It appears to be a 10, maybe the 12 is big enough. Okay, so, well, it's almost there. Okay, it's almost there. Maybe I'll be lucky or just wiggle it a bit. So now I'll just have to drill a hole here and unscrew that screw. Now that I took all the 3 screws out, the window motor is kind of loose, and I just have to separate it from that black part which holds the cable. After the screws are out, nothing connects them, they're just pressed together. Okay, the motor is loose. I'll unplug this connector and I'll be able to take the motor out. Alright, so in order to take this out, I'll have to unscrew this. It's a Torx 30 T30 and I have one, so it won't be a problem. And you'll just see what I'll find in there. Kind of know what to expect. Ta-da! See, these were some bolts that are gone. I'll just clean this all up. I'll take it all apart like this and clean it and put some new balls. Okay, I cleaned most of it, but I will spray this with some brake cleaner, not brake fluid. Stupid of me to say that. Brake cleaner to be sure I'll take all this out. So I cleaned them as best as I could, and now I'll just put them back and grease them, and it all should work fine. Grease it as much as I can. Now I'm putting this back. Put some grease where the balls will come. And for the balls, I'm just using these slingshots balls. are a perfect fit, and they are plastic. You can also use metal ones or bearing balls I've used before. Okay, I put them there. I put some grease just to hold them in place. Put some more grease around them, and I'll put some grease on this part. And then just slide it here. Okay, and now it will work. Okay, I have some residue that I didn't clean now, and grease this up, because in this case there is no problem if there is some extra grease. I'll put the cap back. Okay, now this tricky part where I have to slide this into the door and connect it with the cable. I don't know if I'll be able to record this. I just know that this part should face inside the car, so it will be something like that. This is the connector. I just hope I'll be able to do it quick. Okay, 2 screws are in place. And the third is perfectly aligned. I'm really curious if anything was recorded properly, but I've managed to do it, and that's the most important thing. Now I'll just have to connect the connector. Clip it here. Okay, clip it. Plug it. Okay, and let's see if it works. Now is the moment of truth. Okay, I'll take the flashlight out. Let's see if it works. Oh, it's locked. Yeah, I just had a moment of panic, but it's locked because my son travels in this car. He's 3 years old and he sometimes pushes the buttons, so I locked it. Okay. Nice. Now I'll just have to put everything back together. Thank you guys for watching, and if you have any questions or are you in need of an advice, don't hesitate to ask me. Thank you.